Okay guys, we're here in my garage, and I bet you're wondering why. Unless if you read the title. Anyways, for the last few days, we've been having a blizzard here in Omaha, Nebraska. I'm going to show you what I mean. Oh. So, we've already shoveled our driveway once, and here we are, a good foot high of snow that's been packed down. And we're actually about to go out for Christmas dinner. So, we're gonna take the truck. It's still snowing. I don't know if you can really see, but alright, first step. Oh yeah, it's deep. Yeah, I don't really want to go out, but yeah, look at these snow mounds. This is a pretty crazy Christmas blizzard here in Omaha, Nebraska. Well, actually I'm in Ralston, but whatever. All the same thing. There's where my steps used to be. The streets have been plowed a few times, and I don't want to dig us out yet again, so yeah. Lots of snow in Omaha. 2 blizzards back to back. It's crazy. Alright. Look at that. It's pretty sweet. So yeah, 2009 Christmas blizzard. We've got like 2 feet of snow on the grass areas. And yeah, about a foot of snow everywhere else. Yeah, Christmas blizzard. Can't complain. Nice white Christmas. Alright, hope you enjoyed this. I'm Chief Ironblood, and I'm out.